Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in the tutorial video I will show you fabric craft ideas. Let's start. Today video suffers fish idea is how weavers friends do you have small fabric scarves that are pretty to draw it on them into charming flowers and create beautiful handmade crafts full of color and creative views. In today's video we are sharing a wonderful collection of fabric crafts ideas that are easy to make and perfect for decorating your home and gifts. What are fabric curios? Fabric curios are small sort of fabric gathered on the edge to form soft flowers. They are simple to spin by hand and can be made in any size, color and pattern. These foldable fabric flowers can be used alone to join together to create stunning design. Therefore, your crafts ideas you can make. Colorful fabric scarf and a light images you can create cushions, cover, table and a wall hanging bag, handbags, hair clip, hairband, brooches and pin, a baby blanket, decorative walls, cottons, greeting card, photo frame, coaster, book cover, and history and a playful task making. Every project unique and full of handmade charm. And viewers, I hope you enjoy my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next videos. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.